When dealing with ball lock Corny style kegs, whether new or used, generally the keg is marked somewhere to indicate the gas in and liquid out posts on the keg. If you have an older keg, sometimes these markings may fade or just wear off over time. Without them, it can be difficult to tell which post is which. But there is a very simple way to make sure you're connecting the correct disconnect to the correct post by looking at the side of the post. The liquid out post will have smooth sides and no notching, while the gas in posts will have small notches around the base of it. These can be easier to identify on certain style posts than others, but there will always be notching on the gas posts and no notching on the liquid posts. If you're replacing posts on your keg, remember not all posts have the same threading. So make sure to identify which manufacturer of keg that you have before buying your posts.